Hey guys, my name is Sabrina and today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do a quick little 30-minute glam. Not too much craziness, just some neutral colors, a little bit in the crease, some shimmer, and just a nice glowy skin. So I'm just going to show you guys how I achieve that. If you guys want to know how I do it, keep on watching, and if you guys want to see some more crazy looks, you guys can go to my Instagram. I have some colorful looks and you guys can request if you want to see any. So without further ado, let's get in the video. So today I'm using my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer just to really hide my pores. It's really going to make a smooth application for my foundation. Next I'm going to be going in to do my eyebrows. I don't know why I do this step before my foundation and all that, but that's how I do. For my brows I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow in medium brown, and I'm also going to be using my Anastasia 7B brush. Then I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Neutral and my Anastasia number 20 brush. Then for my foundation, I'm going in with the Tarte Clay Stick Foundation in the shade Light Medium Neutral. And I'm also going to be using my damp beauty sponge. And this foundation is very buildable, so I just like to take some on my beauty sponge and then apply that to places that I want a little bit more coverage. So next I'm going to do concealer, and usually I go for my Tarte Shape Tape, but today I'm looking for a very natural dewy finish, so I'm going to go with my Nars. I literally have way too many concealers in here. You guys see? And it's like all Shape Tape and Nars, and there's no actual reason for this. And I'm just going to go ahead and do some triangles right under my eyes and on any little blemishes that I want to conceal. Then for contouring, I'm just using my Anastasia Contour Cream Kit. So it's a little used and abused. And then my Morphe R10 brush. And I also bring it up on my forehead. And then for my nose contour, I'm using the same thing, and I'm also just using a little angled brush. And I just pat a little bit and then drag it along. So now that we're all done with the cream products, I'm going in with my Mercier setting powder. This is in the translucent one. So for this I'm using my E47 brush, so it's just a really fluffy powder brush, and I just drop some all over me. I really try not to put too much of this because I'm super dry. Using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, I'm just going to be bronzing up my face, and this is also going to help set my cream contour in place. For the blush, I'm using the Tarte Paaarty, so I'm just taking a little bit of that on a Morphe M530 brush. For highlight, I'm using my Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive. This one's really popular, so I just take my highlight a little bit on my beauty blender and then put that on the high points of my face, and I feel like using the beauty blender really helps it to melt in the skin and look as natural as possible, but still giving you like the blinding highlight, you know what I mean? And I put some a little bit on my forehead. With the same highlight, I'm going in with a super precise brush. This one's the Morphe M213. So I'm putting this under my brows, the bridge of my nose, and inner corner of my eyes, and my cupid's bow. So now that skin is all done, I'm going in with my Natasha denona Tropic palette, which is the most beautiful and the most expensive palette I own. Basically, I want to go for a nice nude kind of peachy tone eye look today, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So first I'm going into Vintage Taupe, and I'm putting that in my crease lightly. I'm just taking a little bit of pastel melon and just softening it out a little bit. And then going in with another brush, I'm going into Fake Tan. I'm going to be using another palette for the lid color. So I'm taking my Soft Glam palette, and I'm just going to be taking a little tempera. And then going back with my fluffy brush that has some leftover of the other color that we used. I'm just using that to softly blend out the edges so that it blends seamlessly. Moving on to lips, I'm just using my favorite lip liner from MAC. This is the one Whirl. And I'm not doing lipstick today, I'm just going to go for a gloss. This is the Lancome No. 5 Sweet Glow, and this is honestly one of my favorite glosses ever. And then right before setting my makeup, I like to just set my brows. So I'm using the tinted brow gel from Anastasia. This is in the shade Brunette. So basically, this is not supposed to be your exact shade in brows. It's just to highlight your brows, just like you would highlight your hair. It adds dimension to it, and I really love that. And last step, I'm using my Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Spray. So this is the final look. I know the look was very glowy and bronzy, so I'm going to try to do another video where I'm doing a more matte look. And yeah, so here are some of my social media links. And here's some pictures that I've done on my Instagram, so you guys can see more on that. I hope you guys enjoyed, so see you later. Have a great day.